So building on your sustainability strategy needs to be seen as part of your growth strategy. So I think, again, how does being a more sustainable business help you to get more customers and retain those customers, and how does it help you to find and retain the best talent? That is the asset in your business, and once you understand that, then you'll want to invest in it and double down.
Knowledge is super important. I think making sure you've got up-to-date knowledge, that you've got the right technical capability, I think is critical.
I think the key thing is having ambitious targets, but at the same time for businesses to have credibility. And what I mean by credibility, I mean through having interim targets, for instance, which can clearly demonstrate to customers and other stakeholders that effective change is underway.
So it's this idea that really sustainability and growth go hand in hand.
Actually looking out is also important, really looking at what's happening with your competitors. I think it's that learning mindset, being constantly looking around you, seeing what's going on.
A business strategy that's focused on 3 core strategic pillars. That's accelerated growth, optimizing value, and long-term sustainability. And that third pillar of long-term sustainability is really the enabler, right, of a lot of that growth and a lot of the optimized value.
You need to have the metrics to see what's happening, and you need to share those success stories where either you are winning new clients as a result of the decisions that you've made in the past, and you need to socialize those. Because it's actually through storytelling that people really understand how these trade-offs in the short term have paid off in the long term.
And that's the way that we need to think about them. It's not an either or, it's not putting sustainability on the agenda. Sustainability is the agenda, right? It's how we need to do things.